Audio, 1500 watts audio, and just on this radio talking it's about 1200 watts. Well, a little bit more than that, 1300.
Hey Roger, let me turn the volume up on this thing a little bit. I'm video gating you right now. Turn your amp off for a minute and talk, and then unkey, and then yeah, do your thing. It seems like you got just a little bit of a transformer buzz in there.
Yeah, it's still with the amp on. Might have my mouth too close to the mic. I turned the mic gain back a little bit. Turn the mic gain up just a little bit. I turned it up one just now. It's still with the amp on though.
Yeah, you sound good and strong. The audio ain't the problem. You do have a little bit of a. Well, you'll be able to see the video here. If you can hear, if my phone will pick that frequency up, that's the trouble I have with these subs and all this low stuff. My phone don't pick up the cool stuff I'm hearing, but I think you'll hear it. But maybe just throw a dead key for a minute and then maybe try to stand by so you can hear the difference, because you might have to put a ferrite on your power cords or something.
There's dead key. Audio 1212. I'm talking a little bit away from the mic this time. Sometimes when I touch it, it does that. So we'll see if that's any better.
Hey Roger, I'll pause it here for a second.
Okay, there's radio only. Radio only, no amplifier on. Hello, audio 1212, test 12. Local testing, Yesu 101B, no amplifier on, barefoot only. Hello, radio, test 12, amplifier back on. Same radio, audio, same microphone. I haven't switched microphones. I thought about doing that. I thought about switching microphones, seeing if it does it on this other static power mic, handheld power mic. The static 575 handheld microphone. My gain's still at the 6th position where it was with the D104. There you get some dead carrier right there for a little bit. Audio.
Alright, it's at 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and shoot it up there, and you can listen to it, and I'm going to go check Mom out real quick, and then I'll be back.